Example, ladies and gentlemen, again, this is going to be a combination of using the power to product rule as well as using the power to quotient rule. So basically what we're going to be doing, you can just put that away. Basically what we want to do is you can use the power to product rule in the numerator and in the denominator, which would also be applying the power to quotient rule. So therefore, in reality, I really have 27 to the 1/3 power times x to the 6th raised to the 1/3 power all over 64 to the 1/3 power and y to the 4th to the 1/3 power. Now, obviously, we'd always want to be able to simplify first. I don't remember seeing if I could simplify 27 and 64. I don't think they share any common denominators that I could divide them out. So therefore, I rewrite this. And again, remember that 27 to the 1/3 power is the same thing as the cube root of 27 to the 1st power, correct? So in reality, when you're taking something to the 1/3 power, you're thinking of like the cube root. Well, hopefully you guys recognize by now 27 is a cube number, right, which is 3. And then here, x to the 6 times 1/3. When you're multiplying fractions, again, rewrite that as a numerator. That's 6 over 3, which is 2. So that's x squared. You guys should recognize 64 is also a cube number, which is 4 times 4 times 4. And therefore, then I have 4 times 1/3, which does not simplify, which is x to the 4/3. Huh? What? You can't. I'm not done yet. So there's a couple different ways to look at this problem, guys. You could obviously subtract these using the rules of exponents. Because remember, wait, is this x or y? That's y. Sorry. OK. So if you guys look at this, y to the 4/3 is equal to the cube root of y to the 4th power. Can I simplify that? Yes, you can simplify this into cube root of y cubed times y. So therefore, I think we're going to have to change some seats. We're having a problem here. Y times the cube root of y. So therefore, if my example, I can break this down. So the cube root of y cubed is y, right? OK. Well, technically, if we were going to have this simplified, we do not want to have a radical in the denominator. So therefore, I would have to rationalize the denominator. And if I'm going to rationalize the denominator, I'm going to multiply by the cube root of y to the what power? 2nd power. The reason why I want to multiply it to the 2nd power is what's y times y squared? Y cubed. What's the cube root of y cubed? Y. So therefore, it would get rid of my radical in the denominator. So therefore, this turns into cube root of y cubed, which is y. Y times y is y squared. So my final answer in simplified form is 4 times y squared. OK? Two things. Preferred.